What is artificial intelligence? Broadly speaking, artificial intelligence is the field of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks we normally associate with human intelligence. Things like problem solving, learning, decision making, and recognizing patterns. In other words, AI is about building machines that can reason and learn in some way. It's important to understand that artificial intelligence isn't just one single type of technology. It's usually grouped into a few categories. The most common type of AI we interact with is called narrow AI. It's designed to perform a specific task or a narrow range of tasks really well. A good example is the recommendation feature in a streaming service like Netflix. Its only job is to analyze what you've watched and suggest shows you might like. Another example is the facial recognition technology on your phone, which is great at detecting your face and unlocking your phone, but can't do much else. Narrow AI is what powers everything from the spam filters in your email to the navigation in your GPS app. And more recently, it's also what runs common generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. Then there is the concept of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is the kind of AI you see in sci fi movies, a machine with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a range of tasks as well as a human can. While AGI does not exist, it's a goal for many researchers and companies in the AI field. Lastly, there is artificial superintelligence, a concept where machines would surpass human capabilities altogether. In other words, an AI that can exceed the human intellect, autonomously developing new theories, inventing technologies, and solving problems beyond our abilities. This is highly theoretical and raises profound ethical, philosophical, and social questions, but it's important to know that it's part of the broader AI conversation. Beyond these categories, we can also think about AI in terms of how it's developed. Traditional approaches included rule based systems where programmers handcrafted instructions for the system to follow. Credit card fraud detection is a good example of this. However, more recently, machine learning has become the dominant approach. This involves developing computer models that can automatically learn from and improve their performance based on input data, also called training data. This allows the AI model to make predictions based on patterns it's learned from the data. It can solve problems without being explicitly programmed for each task. A more advanced method, called deep learning, uses artificial neural networks to recognize complex patterns we often see in images, speech, and natural language. It's a type of network inspired by the human brain that consists of multiple layers of interconnected nodes. The nodes receive input, perform math computations, and produce output. There are billions of parameters in these networks, which makes it difficult to understand exactly how AI models come up with a particular output, even for those who design these systems. So, a tool like ChatGPT is not a database full of words and sentences. Instead, it's a vast network of mathematical operations happening across interconnected nodes, math that defines the probabilities of which words come next. Thanks for watching.